Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Queue feature without premium. The YouTube Queue feature is free on desktop browsers but requires premium on the mobile application. So if you're on the desktop, all you have to do is hover over a video. Then click the three-dotted menu icon right next to their video title. And once you tap on it, you should be able to find a Play Next in a Queue option on your browser. And all you have to do is tap on it, and this feature is available for free on browser. But if you are in a mobile device, there are no other options rather than buying a premium or subscribing to the YouTube Premium only. So unless you do so, you should not be able to access this feature. However, what you can also do is open your web browser on your mobile device, then type in youtube.com. And once you type this youtube.com, go ahead and tap on their official site. And to ensure that you won't be redirected to this YouTube's official app, go ahead and ensure that YouTube is disabled. Now, once you do so, enable your site to the desktop mode just by tapping on this three-dotted menu icon located on the top right. Then scroll a little bit down and you should be able to find this desktop site option. Go ahead and enable this, and as you can see, now your YouTube will also be available in desktop mode from your mobile browser, and you can queue it from there. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.